Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage port forwarding on Synology router. To do this, first we'll need to open the DS router app that you can download from Google Play Store. Then pair your router with the app and move to the settings. Inside we can scroll down and look for port forwarding and then click on it. Inside you can see the add button or the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, you'll be able to name the rule and enter the private IP address, public port, private port, and change the protocol. Now you'll be able to save it and add it to the port forwarding rule. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.